Well, I'm getting on it.
Look out, critter, you're gonna get hit by that car. G'day guys, Dutchy here from Ride the Vines. Today we have brought a group up here to Dederang, the cream of the country, to show them a day out at the races. It's a BYO event, you bring your own beers. We'll show you what Dederang Races is all about. Let's go. So let me start by introducing my bus. This is Mr. Gribble. It is a 1997 MAN Auto from Adelaide. Capacity to seat 35 and standing room for 15. So it was born to party. So the bus is named Mr. Gribble after the famous TV show Round the Twist. Guys, local to the Albury-Wodonga region, you can now hire this bus for your birthday, bucks, hens party, work social event. Anything's possible. You let me know where you want to go and we will make a tour customised to your preferences. We've got the Bluetooth speaker on here so you can choose the party music. The disco lights will do the rest of the work. Let's go. First up, let me introduce you to my bus. This bus is Mr. Gribble, the party bus. We're now on TikTok and Instagram, so give us a follow to tune in to all the funny stories and funny weekend events. Walk around and meet some people and show you the sights. All right, let's go. How we doing?
Welcome to the fucking Dederang Races.
Yes. Sharon, coming here. Tell me about the Dederang Races. What are you doing here today?
I thought there was a game on.
There is going to be a game. Your best five versus our best five. I'll start recruiting.
Look, the epitome of sport. I'd just like to say, shout out.
Yeah.
Oh, I lost it. It's gone. I had Shane Warne close to my heart. Here he is.
Me little Warnie. Check him out.
Rip Warnie.
How good is he? How country is this racetrack? Up, around the corner, around the hill. It's like a fucking 4K cross-country run for primary school. Past the water tank, round the house, back up the straight. Yep. Get that horse tested for ketamine. How'd you go? I didn't hear Treasure.
She came in third, nice and close, but no, there's no third dividend in that first race.
No, is that what, 5 horses a race or something?
No, there was 7 in that one.
We're saying that the horses don't change each race, they just go back there. A couple of the trainers spray paint their horse, it looks a bit different. We send it back out again.
Dutchy's party bus. I tell you what, it is the most amount of fun I have ever had.
What are we looking forward to at the races today, boys?
Horse number 1, mate. Talent.
The horses or?
Skirt.
Ass and titties it is.
I never said that.
You ready to be on? You ready to do an interview? Alright. Alright, looks like we've got a Dederang race injury here. Tell us about what's happened.
Look, I was walking from the games area and I was just trying to get down the hill and I kind of slipped and I rolled my ankle and now she's cleaning it with vodka. That's right.
That makes sense.
On it to make it look better. I think she needs to kiss better.
Give me a kiss the pad.
How's that for bus driver service?
Not all bus drivers are made equal, but I will kiss your dirty pads.
Dirty? It's quite clean. It's not dirty, it's actually quite clean.
Oh, sorry, it's a clean one. Don't reuse your pads, guys.
Ride the
Yeah, Drew.
I can't.
Talk about a party I can't have any Galliano, but please.
I gave him the water out of your bag.
Yeah.
Oh, Scarlett, go, match her.
Well, maybe later tonight.
Are we drinking or are we not drinking?
No, I can't.
Why not?
I'm driving the bus.
Oh, you're the bus driver.
It's my
Oh,
bus.
okay. I'll be on your bus.
Yeah. You like locals?
Yes.
Yeah, shit, yeah. I just ate a flyer. No, part 3.
So Kate organised the event, and I'm fucking here, you mad motherfuckers. Woo!
I just want to be on the Prime 7 channel TV.
It's not Prime 7, it's the Party Bus channel.
The Hearty bus. We beat Katie in the Hearty bus run.
Party Bus.
Party. That's it. Party.
Hardy.
What's 2 plus 2?
Party.
5.
What's 7?
14.
Fuck yeah, good job.
Yeah. Woo!
She is a legend.
We've met before.
Oh, hello.
Wait, us a bit here longer,
Do you want to come with us to stay a little bit longer?
We might have to stay here a bit longer.
What you're in for if you stay is a lot of dancing, a lot of laughs and giggles.
Oh, yes. And meeting new people.
Meeting new people.
Do you giggle?
No, but guess what? I seen her dancing.
And I even do the bum dance and I have people up against
What's the
my
bum
legs.
dance?
Oh, for goodness
Go!
I love how the beads jiggle as well.
Alright, let's go. We're on to find our next victim.
The Dederang Races is about gambling away your life savings, having a lot of fun, and drinking piss.
What would you like to say about the Dederang Races?
It was good.
Nick James, what would you like to say about the Dederang Races?
So what goes on here? All I want to know is what goes on here.
Not much. How did you like Dederang Races?
Good, thank you.
Farmer wants a wife.
Yeah, no. Do you want a wife or a husband?
3 kids. Hey, do you want 3 kids?
3 kids? I'd love to have 3 kids with you.
Nick, are you having the best night of your fucking life?
Woohoo!
Are you having the best night of your entire fucking life?
I'm bloody having the best fucking time of my life.
Jenna fucking Ragan Races!
Welcome to the fucking Dederang Races, cunt!
Welcome to the fucking Ragan Races! Woo!
What did we win? We win the races. Yeah? How do you win us? On the cup. Money? Won 350 on the cup. Woo! They're paying for your drinks. You're 350 up. Yes. Let's go to big start. Is this a regular thing? No. Definitely not. One off. Let's go. Well done.
What are you doing, big son?
No, you're way too good for your boyfriend.
He's gone! Try again. We're having Hardy Bus people! How did you find the Dederang Races?
What?
How did you find the Dederang Races?
Yeah, it was good.
It's good, that's all you gotta say.
It was fantastic.
Come on, bring it up.
What's my hairdresser?
Come on.
Yeah, it was bloody good.
Bloody good?
Yeah, how about you?
Sorry, you're boring. Excuse me, hi. Milo.
Yeah.
How you going?
What?
There's a microphone. What do you want to say? Yeah, he's got it.
Shout out to Milo for bringing the childhood memories, and cold Milo is the best.
How many spoonfuls?
As many as you can get in the cup. Essentially making a paste.
Fuck me.
There's no limit. The limit does not exist. It's whatever you can get.
What do you reckon about the Dederang Races? What's it all about?
It's all about drinking piss and carrying on with your mates.
Love it, love it. Right.
Hold on. G'day, it's Corey and Chris from the Barnawatha Cricket Club. Just to let you know that we're all playing fucking finals next weekend, and fuck you, Wester, you're not playing finals. You can't even make finals. The club hasn't been that good since I left. Fuck off. And I'll give it back to these lovely girls.
Hey, can you do a clean version just in case? Go again.
Alright, so g'day everyone, it's Corey and Chris from the Barnawatha Cricket Club. Just want to let everyone know that we're playing finals next week, and unfortunately Estel's not, because they haven't been the same since we played for them. You know, I was there in 93. I was still picking up paper off the ground because I was about 6, but fuck! Sorry, I swore again. Fuck it, who cares? Shit on their decks, fuck everyone! Cocksucking motherfuckers, let's hit it like a big straight step child!
And we will call that the end of the night. Rightio, well, we will call that the end of the night. Thanks for watching the Dederang Races podcast.
Absolutely.
Cheers! Woo!
In case next year you want to come out to the Dederang Races with us, we'll have a party.
Yes, get Dutchie's bus for your next event.
See, the marketing writes itself. I'm out of here.
Testimonial.
That's all I got.